Click on the subscribe button and press the bell.
Hello and welcome back to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to find and remove duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin. So first of all, open Microsoft Excel. So here I have some items and its quantity. Now from this table, to find out duplicate values or duplicate entries, select the table and now go to home and click on conditional formatting. Now select this option, highlight cells rules, and under the highlight cells rules, move your cursor to the below and you'll see here duplicate values. So click on it and you can see here all the duplicates values has been selected with red colors. So click OK. Now you can see here this same items has been entered twice. So now I have to remove these values, or I have to remove these duplicate entries from this table. Now to make the Excel to remove the duplicates automatically, click here data and you'll see here remove duplicates. So just click on it and select the columns and click OK. Now you can see here all the duplicates values or duplicate entries has been removed from the table successfully. So if you have a huge data in your Excel spreadsheet and you want to find out the duplicates in Excel, then use this method to quickly and automatically remove duplicates values in Microsoft Excel. So if you are not known about these features before, click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.